Order fulfillment operates through a straightforward process. Visualize it as a series of interconnected gears, each playing its part in a harmonious process. Your e-commerce store is the driving force, powered by your marketing, product development, and sales strategies. By joining forces with DTDC's efficient operations, everything aligns perfectly and runs seamlessly. Through our custom API integrations, our software seamlessly syncs with your online shopping cart to pull in orders automatically. Our API integrations help you get a single shipment price from multiple carriers or a bulk quote for the entire shipment. Compare prices from each shipment from various carriers. Club together any number of shipments. And finally, print all your labels in one click. We handle the following. Help you get best shipping price in Australia. Australia's best couriers in one login. Shipping Australia-wide and international. DTDC Australia, the courier service you can count on.